So in this lesson, we are going to be looking at different equations and choosing which one best fits a word problem. So I'm just going to walk you through looking at different equations of each of the different operations and really understanding what they mean. Because if you understand what they mean, then you're going to be able to use them to help you solve. So the first operation we have here listed is addition. 2 plus n equals 10. What does that mean? That means I have two objects and I need to add more objects to give me a total of 10 objects. So I have two objects and I need to add more until I get to 10. How many more do I need to add to give me 10? So first I'll draw a picture and then we will show the mathematical way to solve it. So there's my 2, and I'm going to count up until I get to 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many more did it take me to get me to 10? What is the value of n? N equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 more. So I could use the inverse operation of of addition to solve, which would be subtraction. So 10 minus 2 would give me my n. And I solved right there using a picture. So that is what addition means. I have a number, counting up, adding up until I get that. And I could also use subtraction to help me solve. The next operation is multiplication. What does this mean? This means that I have a total. And this total is made up of two groups of 10. So here's my two groups. And in each of those groups, I have 10. That's what the multiplication means. If I have 10 divided by 2 equals n, what does that mean? That means I have 10 total split into two groups. So I have my 10 total, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, my 10 total, and it's split into two groups. And they have to be equal groups. When you're talking division and multiplication, you're talking equal groups here. So if I split my 10 into my two groups, I have 5 in each. So my n equals 5. What about my subtraction? 10 total minus take away 2 gives me how many? So I have my 10 total, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and I'm taking 2 of those away. And how many am I left with? That is my n. So n equals 8. So make sure you really understand what these equations are saying, what they mean. And if you understand what they mean, it's going to help you solve the problem to figure out which one works for the word problem that you're given.